It's that time of year again. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older, because I'm getting more grey hair, the two seem to be correlated. I can't believe how quickly this year has gone. And we're at that time of year again that you've all been hanging out for. Brendan's prediction for 2026, and yes, apologies, I did third person myself. My prediction for 2026 is simple. Now, before I share it, bear in mind, we deal with primarily businesses that range from about 4 to 5 million to about 75 to 80 million dollars. We're not dealing with the big end of town, as we like to say. So bear that in mind when I talk about my prediction. Now, have you strapped yourselves in? Are you ready to go? My gift for you and my prediction for 2026 is AI. You're thinking, I paid all this money and paid all this time to watch this video for you just to tell me that AI is the prediction for 2026? As I said a moment ago, we work with businesses that range from 5 million to about 75 to 80 million dollars. Now, that part of the world, I don't know how AI advanced we all are, including our business ourselves. My belief in 2026 is unless you have people dedicated within your business, not full time, but dedicating significant chunks of time looking at how AI can improve your business and your business processes, is that there's a risk you'll be left behind. Now, that sounds very dramatic, but I believe the speed that the AI revolution is going to move at will be a speed that you'll only realize it happened after it's occurred. I know there's that cliche of if you put a frog in boiling water, it'll jump straight out. But if you boil water from underneath the frog, and I don't know what lunatic would actually do that, the frog doesn't realize it. And I don't want you to be the frog that has the boiling water coming from underneath it before you realize that it's all over for you. That's my prediction, AI. I know that me and Trin, my fellow director, we're dedicating time now and early into next year around how we can use AI within our business. How can we make things more efficient? How can those low value add items be done more efficiently so that our team and ourselves can focus on the premium area that our clients demand and need from us, so we can put all our attention into that. Bearing in mind, I'm not an AI expert, but one approach we're taking is the low value tasks. How can you accelerate and automate those tasks being done or partially being done? My thinking from the initial training that I've done is you don't necessarily need to have something done to completion. You can have something done from 0 to 50%, 0 to 70%. That's going to make a world of difference. Now, what that looks like in your business is entirely up to you. If you're a manufacturing business relying on machines, those machines are highly likely going to continue to operate the way they are. But what are the elements around that that can help you and your business regarding sales process, emails, anything that requires human input? How can we automate that? And that's my prediction that leads to a recommendation. Have people within your business starting to understand AI. And from my layperson perspective, this has nothing to do with me being a CFO. In our business, we've made a conscious decision to not employ people specifically to do AI. We've made a specific decision around existing people who know the business inside and out to then understand AI, to then apply it, because we feel like that skill is an easier way to approach it rather than somebody learning our business and them creating AI tools that may or may not work. There you go. Invest that time. I promise you, if you do that over the next 12 months, you'll be sitting here this time next year and I'll have more grey hair. I'll be telling you how fast 2026 has gone and I'll be rambling the same way, but always with good intention of hopefully helping your business grow. I'd like to wish you and your family and your friends a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Enjoy your break. We're going to take a bit of a hiatus for a few weeks. You probably won't hear from us until late January. I know where we're from in Australia, the end of December and all of January, until the kids go back to school at the end of January, start of February, is a little bit of a quiet time, so we're going to take advantage of that too as well. Have a great Christmas, have a great New Year. Looking forward to a massive 2026 full of AI bots that by that point in time, you'll just be watching a mythical reference of myself recording another video. Take care.